Coffee is part of your daily ritual, and making it better is part of ours. Drip by drip, cup by cup. We designed the OXO Brew 8-cup coffee maker to meet the highest industry standards and exceed yours. We added a single-serve mode because sometimes one perfect cup is enough. The BetterBrew precision brewing system starts with the push of a button, heating water to just the right temperature. With an integrated bloom cycle inspired by the pour-over brewing method to deliver a balanced, more flavorful cup. Our commitment to better brewing shows in every product we make, every time you brew. So you can savor every cup, every sip, every day. The OXO Brew 8-cup coffee maker. Better brewing, better coffee, better day.